I always feel like if you do good work and you treat patients well, that you'll be successful in whatever specialty you choose.
The minute I walked into Dr. Admire's office, I felt comfortable. And then once I met the staff, I felt relieved, and I was so happy that I found him.
I'm a perfectionist, and I think having that demeanor and that personality kind of drew me to this field, and I'm always looking to get better.
Born and raised in Tucson, Dr. Anthony Admire has become one of the most sought-after plastic surgeons in Arizona. His beautiful, spa-like facility in Scottsdale perfectly complements his top-notch technical ability and his calm demeanor. It's easy to see why patients choose Dr. Admire over other plastic surgeons they're considering. He just makes them feel comfortable.
Kind of have to take your clothes off, and but like he always has, you know, his office staff is amazing, and they're like they tell you like before he comes in, like, this is what's going to happen, and then and the other two were women doctors, and so I was kind of leaning towards one, but then when he came in, I was like, oh, okay, I can relax, I can do this.
And I tell them, you know, hey, being nervous and being anxious, that's very normal. And if you weren't anxious and nervous right before your surgery, I wouldn't think that you were human, because everyone feels that, everyone should feel that.
He doesn't just put you in surgery and you don't see him again. He does a lot of follow-ups, and then even after your surgeries, he follows up further if he thinks you need maybe something else looked at or whatever. So it's not you calling him, he's calling us.
One of the things I hear most on the way out from patients is that they are just so floored with their experience with him. So he really does take the time with each and every patient to explain everything thoroughly, to listen to their questions and concerns, and they're just very wowed when they walk out.
Many of Dr. Admire's patients are dealing with cancer and need breast reconstruction. That's where his expertise and personality really come into play.
He just made the whole situation so much easier to deal with. And he's been wonderful with my family. My daughter comes in with me, and he's been very comforting, I think, to her also.
Dr. Admire's the best. If you have breast cancer, you need reconstruction, have him do it for you. As a matter of fact, I've referred a couple friends.
For a couple years, we had the largest group of participants in the Susan G. Komen Walk, and certainly proud of that. And we get T-shirts made, and it's just something that is a fun event.
It's pretty huge to see, you know, somebody that's recently diagnosed with something, you know, so hard. He's able to really transform the entire process, where they leave with a smile and they're confident again.
So if you need a procedure done, or you're just thinking about starting the process, Dr. Anthony Admire is the answer.
He has magic fingers. He does have magic fingers.
And he answers his own emails.